Paella is not Italian, but still, do you want to know how I make it? Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Let's be clear, this is not an authentic Spanish paella. While my paella pan is from Valencia, this is my southern Italian adaptation. Feel free to adapt the ingredient as you like, but what makes the difference is cooking the paella on the barbecue. The intense heat creates that crunchy crust around the edge of the rice, which is exactly what traditional paella is known for. So I will show you how I do it. Before we set the fire, everything needs to be ready. These are the ingredients you need. The measurement are in the description below, and you can find and print the full detailed recipe on my blog on the link above. Prep your squid rings and sort your shrimps. Cook the mussels separately with some garlic. Any mussel that doesn't open when it's cooked is dead and it must be discharged. Filter the water the mussel release to remove any sand. Then add it straight to your chicken stock. That liquid carries real seafood flavor and you do not want to lose it. I use homemade chicken stock. It contains gelatin from the bone, and that gelatin adds creaminess to the rice in a way that a cube simply cannot replicate. I make mine in a pressure cooker in 30 minutes. Add your saffron to the warm stock. Saffron gives the paella a distinctive yellow color and contributes to the flavor of the rice. Pour olive oil into the paella pan and start with the shrimps. Do not peel them and do not remove the heads. The shell protects the meat from overcooking and the heads release a sweet juice that flavors the oil. Cook them until they just turn pink and then remove them. Cook the squid rings in the same oil, then remove those too. As in Calabria we love spicy food, I like to add to my paella some Nduja, a spicy creamy sausage made with fatty cut of the pig, lard, bacon and guanciale, and it comes originally from Calabria. Because it is so rich in fat, it melts directly into the oil and adds so much flavor to the base of the paella. By this point, the oil in the pan holds the flavor of everything you have cooked in it. Add the rice and stir it through so it absorbs all the juices left in the pan. This is the moment the rice picks up all the flavor. Use a rice with round grain that absorbs liquid without overcooking. I use Carnaroli or Arborio, which are Italian risotto rice. Bomba or calasparra are the traditional Spanish variety. Add the peas, diced onions, red pepper and artichokes art. Pour in the warm saffron stock to cover the rice. Now settle the rice evenly in the pan and leave it alone. From this point, you do not stir. This is not a risotto. The rice must cook undisturbed to develop that crust on the bottom and around the edge. Cook for 15 minutes, adding a little more stock if needed, but do not touch the rice itself. After 15 minutes, add the squid back in and give it one gentle stir to incorporate. After a few more minutes, add the shrimps and the mussel on top. Remove the pan from the fire and cover it lightly with aluminium foil. Let it rest before serving. This rest period finish the cooking and allow the flavors to settle. To finish, gather some freshly parsley over the top and arrange lemon wedges around the pan. Freshly squeezed lemon juice cuts through the sweetness of the seafood and the richness of the Nduja and brings the whole dish into balance. For more delicious seafood recipe like this one, check out the playlist I've linked for you. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on our next culinary adventure. Everyone likes to watch a nice paella show.